What's up and welcome back to another vlog. He was crying, so I sat back here and I'm using this toy to distract him. We are heading over to Nitish and Ashley's as usual, but today we are getting mom and dad with us, and they're gonna be staying over for like a couple of days because Ashley's birthday is coming, so her friends and family. What? Couple of weeks. So Ashley's friends are coming and family, so they need their room and all that stuff. So that's why they're gonna be staying with us, and we're gonna take advantage of that, I guess. So yeah, mom is doing Chaat night tonight, so that's why we're going there to have dinner as like Chaat, variety of Chaats, I guess, and then bring them over with us. Come on. Dinner time?
भूख की तो कोई है ही नहीं लगता है मुझे।
भूखी की है, पिया ही नहीं है 3 o'clock के बाद कुछ।
ये लो, उसको ये लिया करो साथ में। ऐसे। जी ऐसे। लम्बा ले उसको डाले जाएगा इसलिए। फिर इसको तुम ऐसे डाल देती हो, ऐसे उठा देती हो।
Alright, we are here and I'm feeding him.
इसको कैसे ऑफ करना है?
अपने आप ऑफ हो जाता है।
बेचारे को कोई हिलाए डुलाए ना, कान में से दबाने से।
I have made so many tikkis. You see, this is all without any shell, you know. It can be used for the very easy chutney.
Thank you. So hi.
Hi, Ari, I'm Taklu.
Alrighty, so let me show you what is going on. Here are the samosas that are frying this for Ashley's birthday basically, and then Chaat night looks like this.
Here, tikki.
Oh, these are all the tikkis that mom made, and toppings for the Chaat, the pani, potatoes, yogurt.
SPDP.
This is SPDP for Ashley, and then the golgappes, and this is what?
Ghugni.
Butter ghugni, and then chutney, and like
We have some
everything
dip
over
and-
here. And then for apps we have some dip and
Hummus.
bread.
Hummus.
Dip and bread. So yeah. Good morning. Last night we were super tired when mom and dad came. She was putting up her room she was setting up her room, so she's making breakfast right now for herself. And I already had, me and Mayang had oats and coffee. Dad is having cereals over there, sitting with Aiden because he's sleeping. And she's also having some papaya. I made her some mixed berry smoothie that she's drinking. And here is Marvel. Where is he? Here you go. Marvel. Come here. Marvel. Come here. He's going and sitting there because he knows his treats are over there. So yeah, anyways, this was so I think that's it for today's vlog. Just wanted to show you that we're getting mom here, and I'm gonna start another vlog with some exciting day that we plan to do. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye.
Teacher for the woman with desire.
Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. There was a cat that really was gone. Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. It was a shame how he carried on.
Mama Baker, where did you jump? Mama Baker, where did you jump?